How to add music to Windows Media Player. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can add music in Windows Media Player. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Windows Media Player. For that, click on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Windows Media Player. So after you open it up, navigate to top left corner, click on this Organize drop down. Here again, head over to Manage Libraries and click on the first option, Music, in order to add music. Now click on Add button here. Now from your device, you have to select the folder from where you want to add the music from. If you have your music folder in your desktop, head over to Desktop and select your music folder. Then click on Include Folder, and once you have added your folder into this Windows Media Player, all of the songs will be listed on this interface right here under the music. That's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.